All right, I got a couple of license plate related things here today. One of them is Scat Pack specific or Charger specific, and the other thing's for any car. So the first thing I want to talk about is one of the things that I added to the car was this license plate bracket. So on these things are super easy to install. You simply take out two screws up under here, and then from the factory, and then you just reinstall the new screws that come with the kit. They're a little longer because you got this metal to go through, but this thing allows you to take your license plate on and off very easily. It's got a little pull pin here that's spring loaded, so you can put that thing in and lock it in place. These are really nice if you just can't stand the thought of drilling into your bumper, which I can't. It drives me insane to think about doing that. So I ordered this thing. They've got them all over Amazon and eBay and everywhere. They're kind of pricey, actually. They're like 85 bucks. But I just didn't want to drill into my bumper, so that's why I did this. So I guess this brand is Silicone. They're super nice. Couple of things one thing I don't like about it, let me show you here, is the shape of it. If I were to design my own, I would have made this a little bigger. Now this is all aluminum, so it's super lightweight. So I really don't know that you're going to add that much weight by putting more down here. So the problem I've had with this thing is they recommend you don't run the car through the car wash, but that and other things will actually bend the license plate along this line. So you get to the car wash, it yanks it, bends it, or other things catch it, bend the license plate. It happens all the time. So they'll bend it this way, bend it that way. I don't know why they just didn't bring it down and then allow you to attach it to 4 bolts. It really is not that much more aluminum, and it certainly wouldn't really add anything to the weight. So really nice. I highly recommend them. I think they're way too expensive, and I wish they designed it a little different, but every one I've seen has been designed like this. The other thing I wanted to bring you today is not Charger or Scat Pack specific, but this is silicone license plate frames. So these are kind of cool. I saw another guy that does Scat Pack videos put these on the other day, and there's all kinds of brands out there. They're all over eBay, Amazon, anywhere, but they're completely silicone. They're really kind of nice. You know, you've got your regular frames, you know, that are plastic or metal, and you know, technically this is not legal because it is covering some of the lettering. They're not supposed to cover any of the lettering of the plate, and it's actually covering some lettering in the barcode. So technically I think this would be illegal, but you know, people do it all the time. But one thing that's super nice about these silicone is when it's mounted up to the car, it will cut down on any sort of vibration noise that you might have with the plate. It also keeps it from scratching the car. So for $13 for a pair of these, you can get these and use these. And they're super easy to install. I don't know why it comes with an installation tool. I'll demonstrate using this. Probably makes it a little faster, but I did one in like 2 minutes just by hand. So it's not that big of a deal. So these are pretty cool. So I got a pair of these for $12.95, I believe it was, on Amazon. So to install these things, really the only thing you have to do is just make sure the drain holes are at the bottom of the plate. So just feed. See if I can get this on camera here real good. If I get this out of the way, it'll be better. So drain holes at the bottom. Put the end of the plate up here, and let's try it with the tool. Like I said last time, I didn't use the tool. I just did it by hand, and it took me no time at all, pretty much. So I guess that's how you're supposed to use it. You're supposed to use it kind of like putting a bicycle tire on or something. but it's so easy to stretch for me. It's just do it by hand. It's not really a big deal. There we go. I guess if you go slow, it does help it go a little bit easier. But anyway, that's it when it's on there and complete. So looks nice. Again, cuts down on the rattling, you know, if you have any of that. It also would keep from scratching the car. So I did get a 2-pack of these, $12.95 on Amazon. And we're gonna try them out and see. I'm gonna mount this back up to this plate and get it back on the car. These things are super easy to install too. I mean, it's really just 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and 2 castle nuts and 2 bolts. That's all there is to it. So it's super simple. And then we come over here, see if we can get the camera back in place. I don't have my partner, my cameraman, with me at the moment. So pull this little thing, get it in there, and then you'll hear it click in place. So we're done. Got a little dirty on the workbench, but anyway, you get the idea. But yeah, that's my little thing for today. Not a big deal, but thought it was something that was kind of cool to bring to you. So anyway, I guess that's it for this time. I do appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate any thumbs up and subscriptions that you guys give me. I'm just trying to bring you guys information. I'm having fun doing this. I've had a lot of nice comments back, you know, about the different videos I've done. Like I said from the start, nothing fancy here. I'm just a regular old guy, you know, a dad of 5 boys that's, you know, has got a little experience with some different things, and like to bring you some of, you know, the knowledge that I've got by doing the different things. And then, you know, I buy the new tools and things like that, and I like to bring you unboxings. I like to, you know, try things out, let you see, you know, what my thoughts are on them. I'm no expert. You know, there's probably no right or wrong. It's just my opinion. But most of you out there are just regular guys and gals just like me, and so hopefully there's some value in it to you. So anyway, I appreciate everybody watching. I really, really do. I appreciate the nice comments and all the thumbs up and the subs that I'm getting. I'm just really thrilled, considering I've had the channel for 4 weeks. And I'm increasing views by 100 per day, which for a brand new one, I feel like that's really, really good. I'm real excited about it. So anyway, just got to keep the subs coming and keep the views up, and we'll keep bringing you new stuff. So I hope you appreciate what I'm doing, and I hope that you like it. And anyway, typical me, I'm rattling. That's what I do. I ramble. But anyway, thanks again. Appreciate it very much, and look forward to bringing you the next one. We'll talk to you very soon.